dear children, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss exercise 4. Fourth exercise we will discuss from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. As you guys know, please take out your notebook and get ready to solve one by one. This is one of the beautiful exercise in your entire mathematics syllabus. Very important, and you will get feel of this. We will try to solve it one by one. Actually the process is like, no need like you have to solve first question first only, then second question, third question, no need. You can solve randomly also, but I try to solve it continuously so that you get a feel of this fourth exercise. Okay, let us get started. The first question is like this. Express, please make a note of this question. Express sine A, comma, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Look at this question. Okay, fine. Now they are asking you to put this sine A in terms of cot A. Is there any relation between sine A and cot A directly? No. Yes or no? We had three identities, right? What are those three identities? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is fine. Then I have 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Then I have 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These are the identities what I had. We discussed all these things. Sine and cos are related like this. Tan theta and secant square theta, that is tan square theta and secant square theta are related like this. Cot square theta and cosecant square theta are related like this. But there is no direct relation between sine A and cot A. There is no direct relation, no? You have to see for the indirect relationship. For example, sine A should be related with cot A, right? Yes or no? But cot A is related with cosecant A, right? Cosecant A means that is reverse of sine A. Yes or no? We have to start from this one, then we have to end at sine A. Are you understanding my point? What I am trying to say? Sine A and cot A are not directly related, but sine A and cosecant A are related, and cosecant A and cot A are related. Take reverse of that. Are you getting my point? So let us do that. First one, that is related to sine A and cot A. What I have like something like 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Is it fine? Is it alright? Of course it is right. Then can I write 1 plus cot square A? 1 plus cot square A is equal to this cosecant square A can be written as 1 over sine square A, because sine A and cosecant A are reverse of each other. If sine square A is given, I can sine square A is equal to 1 over cosecant square A. Cosecant square A is equal to 1 over sine square A. That you must be knowing. You know that table, right? Sine, cos, tan, next cosecant, secant, cot. I have discussed all this. Watch all these videos continuously so that you get feel of all this. Sine and cosecant are inverse of each other. They are reverse of each other. In the same way, cos and secant and tan and cot. Okay, fine. So this cosecant square A can be written as 1 over sine square A. Okay, fine. Now let us bring this sine square A this side. So sine square A is equal to 1 over 1 plus cot square A. Is it alright? Of course, fine. Now I am getting sine A in terms of cot A. They are not asking you to put sine square A, so you have to put sine A, right? So sine A is equal to under root 1 over 1 plus cot square A. Root 1 means 1 only, so that's why 1 over under root 1 plus cot square A over. So sine A is represented in the terms of cot A. That's it. Got it? Similarly, you have to do for other things also. You must be having feel of these all three identities and this inverse trigonometric function so that you can solve this kind of questions. Okay, so first one maybe I don't know up to what extent you understood this, but second problem you will understand it very easily. Secant A and cot A we have to relate. But is there any formula like secant A and cot A? No. But there is a formula between secant A and tan A. And tan A and cot A are related, that's it. Yes or no? You have to look for the direct relationship. If you don't get the direct relationship, you have to look for indirect relationship. Do I have any formula linking secant A and cot A? No. But secant A and tan A, of course it is there. 1 plus tan square A is equal to what? Secant square A. Then I can relate tan A to cot A. That I can do. So second one I am solving now in that. So for example, 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. It is there for sure. Now I have to represent secant A in terms of cot A. So that's how I will write it as 1 plus this whatever, what is this? Tan square A is there now. This can be, this tan square A can be written as 1 over cot square A. 1 over cot square A. That is equal to secant square A. Alright, are you getting it what I am trying to say? Next, can I write it reverse? Secant square A is equal to 1 plus 1 over cot square A. This is also fine. Now you can take the LCM and you can do other things also, but let us try to put in simpler form only. So secant A is equal to under root 1 plus 1 over cot square A. Done. So secant A in terms of cot A. That is also done. Are you understanding this what I am trying to say? Okay, let us see the third one in this. See here, tan A in terms of cot A, tan A in terms of cot A. It is very simple, no? So tan A is equal to what can I write? Tan A is equal to 1 over cot A. Done. Okay, my dear children, what I am trying to say here is, you look for the direct relationship like this. If you are not getting direct relationship, then you have to look for the indirect relationship. Let me give you one example here so that you get feel of this. If a question is being asked like this, this is not from the exercise, but a question is like this. Express sine A in terms of cos A. If the question is asked like this, sine A and cos A are directly related. You can write something like sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then you have to represent sine A in terms of cos A, no? So sine square A becomes, sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Then sine A is equal to under root 1 minus cos square A over sine A in terms of cos A. This is it. But if the question is twisted like this, they are asking you to represent sine A in terms of secant A, for example. Sine A in terms of secant A. Now sine A and secant A are not directly related. Yes or no? But reverse of secant A is cos A. So you can take help of cos A and you can solve this. When you are solving this problem, how you have to make an approach? You have to make an approach like sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A, it will be there. Then sine square A is equal to 1 minus, instead of cos square A, what I am supposed to write? I am supposed to write 1 over secant square A. Why? Because cos and secant are reverse of each other. Now I have represented sine A in terms of secant A. Now continuing that, sine A, that square is there. If you bring this side, it becomes square root. So under root 1 minus 1 over secant square A over. Are you getting my point? Sine A represented in the form of secant. Yes or no? You can take the LCM. If you take the LCM, it becomes secant square A. You can do all the drama. But this is more than enough to put it in the normal form. I hope you got it. Now you should be able to solve second question. Whatever second question is there, they have asked you to find sine A in terms of all other trigonometric ratios. That is sine A in terms of cos A, sine A in terms of tan A, sine A in terms of cosecant A, sine A in terms of secant A, sine A in terms of cot A also. They have asked you to find out some question is like that. Write all trigonometric ratio in terms of secant A. That question is asked. You link secant A with all other trigonometric ratios. Secant A in terms of sine A, secant A in terms of cos A, secant A in terms of tan A, in terms of cosecant, in terms of secant is there of course, and cot also. Try to do the second question. If I solve, you will lose feel of the subject. So that's why I am not solving second question. You yourself solve it. Let us get into third question. Okay, look at the third question, how simple it is. First question is third main and first question. Sine square 63 degree, sine square 63 degree plus sine square, it is not sine square, na? Sine at 27 degree. Sine square 27 degree divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. I have solved this kind of problems. Okay, these kind of problems have been solved already, but you should be able to solve it by your own method. Now you see here both are sine square, no? So can I write something like this? Sine square 63 degree plus this sine square is there, no? Let it be sine square. This 27 can be written as 90 minus 63 degree. 90 degree minus 63 degree. That is for sure. Yes or no? I can write like this. Then can I write this one as cos square 17 degree plus cos square. This 90 can be written as this 73 can be written as 90 degree minus 17 degree. Is it fine? Of course it is fine. So then it is going, we are using the complementary angles here. Okay, this 27 I have written as 90 minus 63, this 73 as 90 minus 17. So it becomes a sine square 63 degree plus this is sine 90 minus theta, no? Yes or no? Sine square 90 minus theta is cos square theta. So it becomes a cos square 63 degree. Did you forget all these things? You must be remembering them. That's why I told this is one of the most beautiful exercise. Okay, divided by, I can write it as cos square 17 degree plus cos of 90 minus theta or cos square of 90 minus theta is sine square theta, that is sine square 17 degree. Now look at this, sine square theta plus cos square theta, it becomes 1. Then cos square theta plus sine square theta, it is also 1. So 1 divided by 1 equal to 1 over. This is the answer for this question. They asked what is the value of this. They asked you to evaluate. I did not write that. They asked you to find out the value of this expression. Okay. Now let us get into second question. In a third main question, second sub question. What is that? Find sine 25 degree. Find sine 25 degree into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sine 65 degree. Okay, please solve this, try to solve this. I have solved this question also. Try to solve this question. Okay, how to do this? Now here both are sine and cos, no, they are different here. So you have to convert them into one form. Now can I write it like sine 25 degree into cos of 90 minus 25? Of course 90 degree minus 25. This cos 65 can be written as cos of 90 minus 25 degree. Then again plus is there. Now everything will be converted into sine here. Now let us try to keep it in which form? Cos form here. So it becomes like cos 25 degree. Then into this can be written as sine of 90 degree minus 25 degree. Alright? Is it fine? Of course it is fine. Okay. Now it becomes like sine 25 degree into cos of 90 minus theta. It becomes sine theta, that is sine 25 degree plus cos 25 degree as usual it will be there. Then sine of 90 minus theta will be cos theta. So that is cos 25 degree. Now both are same, sine 25 and sine 25. So it becomes sine square 25 degree plus cos 25, it becomes cos square 25 degree. So sine square 25 plus cos square 25, 1. Because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Very simple question. Now let's get into other questions of this exercise. Are you understanding all these things, my dear children? Are you getting feel of this? Getting feel of this is very important. Now if you want, you can pause the video and you can practice the questions which I have solved just now. You should get some practice, then only you will be able to understand all these questions. Okay. Now fourth question, fourth main in that first one. What is that? 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to question mark. And they have given you 4 options A, B, C, D. So they are like 1, 9, 8, 0. Try to solve it and let us get the answer. From this, can I take 9 common? Of course. So 9 bracket secant square A minus tan square A. Okay, fine. Now I get this important hint here. 9 bracket secant A and tan A, they are related. No, secant square and tan square A. How they are related? Let me solve it. 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. They are related with each other. But I want secant square A minus tan square A. Secant square is here. Let us send tan square A that side. So 1 is equal to secant square A minus tan square A. That is there. So secant square A minus tan square A means it is going to be 1. So answer will be 9. Here is the answer. Option B is correct. I hope it is clear in your mind. Now let us get into second question. What is the second question? It's a little bit lengthy, I guess. Let me rub it off and let's get started with the second question. Second question is very important and many times it came in the exam also. I have seen old question paper in that this question is there. Okay, so let us get to the second question. Let us solve it. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta bracket 1 plus cot theta plus minus, it is given minus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta is equal to question mark, and options are given here. Options are A 0, B 1, C 2, D minus 1. Okay, let me check the question once again. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta bracket 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to how much they are asking. Okay, so let us solve this. Now tan theta, secant theta, all those things are there. They are different. Now let us try to put them in sin theta and cos theta form. Let us try to uniform it. So it becomes like 1 plus this tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. All right. Tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta plus this secant theta can be written as 1 over cos theta. Okay, is this fine? All right. Then again in bracket 1 plus this cot theta can be written as cos theta over sin theta. This is also fine. Minus cosecant theta can be written as 1 over sin theta. Okay, all right. Now what will be the LCM here? Nothing is there, means 1 will be there, and here also 1. LCM is going to be cos theta. All right. So 1 into cos theta, and here it is into 1. Here it is into 1. So it becomes like cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. All right. This is one equation. Now let us try to put that also. Here also LCM is going to be sin theta. You are going to multiply with sin theta here. So that is 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus cos theta. Then it is going to be minus 1. All right. Now can you see a pattern here? Cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta, both are same now. Cos theta and sin theta and cos theta, are they same? Yes, they are similar terms. Something like A and A, both are same. A plus B into A minus B. Yes or no? Can I write it like this? Sin theta plus cos theta. Let me put it in one bracket. Okay, then again plus 1. I just reversed it. Divided by anyhow, divided by cos theta is that is for sure. Then this is whole bracket. This is one square bracket. Just to make you understand, I am writing it in big words. Okay, so let me put another square bracket. So it is going to be sin theta plus cos theta. This is in one bracket. Then minus 1 divided by sin theta. Divided by sin theta. Do you understand what I am trying to write here? Okay, alright. Now is it in the form of A plus B into A minus B? Sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta, both are same A. This is plus B and this is minus B. A plus B into A minus B. Alright? Okay. So A plus B into A minus B going to be A square minus B square. So it becomes like A square is going to be sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Then B square is going to be minus 1 square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus B square. Then cos theta into sin theta will be, as usual, it will be written as cos theta minus sin theta. Not minus, cos theta into sin theta. Minus is not there, they are multiplied. Okay, now let us expand this. A plus B whole square, it becomes sin square theta A square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Then it is going to be minus 1 divided by sin, as usual it is going to be cos theta into sin theta. Okay, next this sin square theta plus cos square theta is going to be 1. So that is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, then minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. This 1 and 1 they will be cancelled because they are plus and minus of each other, no? That's why they get cancelled. So I am remaining with 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by, as usual, cos theta into sin theta. So sin theta they get cancelled, cos theta they get cancelled. So I am remaining with 2. So answer is going to be what? Option C, that is 2. Alright, fine. So please keep on studying. When I come into the next class, I will solve other problems also. All the very best for all of you. Thank you very much.